I will ride a fancy rig to Tyburn tree that grows so big, and there I'll dance a mighty jig when I get to Tyburn Fair. With lace and velvet at my chin, I'll break my journey at the inn. The landlord, he'll invite me in on me way to Tyburn Fair. When I get to Tyburn Fair, I'll have ribbons in my hair. Tyburn Blossom mates declare we'll dance at Tyburn Fair. To Ratcliffe Highway I did ride, and there I robbed a rich man's bride. I stole her heart and more besides, I gave her kisses 3. I thought my crime was no great sin. The soldiers took me at the inn, and the sentence it was harsh and grim. You'll dance at Tyburn Tree. When I get to Tyburn Fair, I'll have ribbons in my hair. A Tyburn Blossom mates declare we'll dance at Tyburn Fair. They cast me with the common dregs, with iron fetters round my legs. They'll come off when I dance my jig that day at Tyburn Fair. For when I get to Tyburn Fair, I will meet my true love there, and there'll be dancing everywhere when I get to Tyburn Fair. When I get to Tyburn Fair, I'll have ribbons in my hair. A Tyburn Blossom mates declare we'll dance at Tyburn Fair. And when I ride upon my cart, my love will have a broken heart. I'll read my message to every part when I get to Tyburn Fair. Farewell, my love, think well of me. I stole your heart so we could be together for eternity, not here at Tyburn Fair. When I get to Tyburn Fair, I'll have ribbons in my hair. A Tyburn Blossom mates declare we'll dance at Tyburn Fair. Tyburn Fair, I'll have ribbons in my hair. A Tyburn Blossom mates declare we'll dance at Tyburn Fair. So all you criminals within that dwell in wickedness and sin, the Newgate bell will loudly ring and drive your cares away. The three-legged mare will stand astride when we take that final ride, and we'll bow to the totties on every side that day at Tyburn Fair. When I get to Tyburn Fair, I'll have ribbons in my hair. A Tyburn Blossom mates declare the Tyburn Fair.